भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Page 101, Karika 96. अजेष्वजमसङ्क्रान्तम् धर्मेषु ज्ञानमिष्यते यतो न क्रमते ज्ञानम् असङ्गं तेन कीर्तितम्. Gaudapadacharya, concluding his Karikas on Mandukyopanishad in general, and he is summarizing the 7th mantra of Mandukya in particular. He established that Dvaita Anubhava, the experience of this universe in its plurality, is because of one's own experience. It is Anubhava Siddham. Many experiences are happening even though they are not real, just like blue sky, Neela Akasha Anubhava is there, Anubhava Siddham, but it is not Neelam. Similarly, the stationary earth Anubhava. Earth is stationary, it is not moving, it is our Anubhava. That is not correct. That earth is stationary Anubhava is not correct. Like that, sunrise Anubhava, even though sunrise is not there, your Anubhava Siddham that is. These Anubhavas, what you are having experiences, are they real? Are they real? Even though you are experiencing, they are not real. Similarly, what is the guarantee of your experience of this universe is real? What is the guarantee? This Anubhava also can be false, just like that Anubhava. Therefore, Anubhava Siddham cannot be the criterion to establish the reality of the world. You cannot establish world is real. All names and forms, whatever I am seeing, they are real. You cannot say that. World is not real. World is not real is established by pramana. pramana siddham advaitam, anubhava siddham dvaitam. Shastra pramana is establishing that neha nanasti kinchana. There is no second thing. Neha nana asti. Iha nana na asti. There is no plurality at all in this universe. Brihadaranyupanishad says, therefore pramana siddham advaitam, anubhava siddham dvaitam. Which is more valid? Your anubhava is valid or pramana is valid? Veda pramana is valid, not your anubhava. Therefore, advaitam alone is satyam, it is pramana siddham. Your anubhava siddha dvaita prapancha is not real at all. In spite of your experience. Therefore, he says, experience is nothing but consciousness plus contact with object is experience. What do you mean by experience? Have you analyzed any time? I am experiencing the trees, I am experiencing mountains, I am experiencing everything in this world. You are talking. Tell me, what do you mean by experience? Anubhava, you are talking. Anubhava is nothing but consciousness. I, the consciousness principle, am contacting with that object alone is called anubhava, awareness. Chair plus consciousness is chair anubhava. I, the consciousness plus fan contact is called fan anubhava, fan awareness. I am aware of fan. Or you can put in other language, I am conscious of the fan, I am conscious of the chair, I am conscious of the tree, is called anubhava. What do you mean by anubhava? I am aware of that particular object. That awareness is called what? I am conscious of. I am conscious of. I am conscious of so and so particular object. That means minus conscious of clip, minus conscious of, I am conscious of what? Clip, house, fan. Fan minus consciousness? No anubhava. House minus consciousness? No anubhava. Minus plus carpet minus consciousness? No anubhava. So every anubhava is nothing but because of consciousness. Minus consciousness, the contact with that object, where is anubhava? Where is anubhava? So that anubhava is coming because of consciousness, awareness. I am aware of this, that and all. Awareness, consciousness. Shastra says that consciousness is satyam, that nama rupa is not satyam. That nama rupa is not satyam. Consciousness is satyam. Where is that nama rupa? Really speaking, you analyze nama rupa also, there is no such an object really. Pot object is not there other than clay. Clay object is not there other than earth. Earth object is not there other than fire, water, air, akasha and consciousness. So finally consciousness alone is the moolam for everything. Therefore, the world, what we are seeing, is not there really. It has got borrowed existence from me, the consciousness. I, the observer, is Satyam. I, the experiencer, is Satyam. I, the witnesser, is Satyam. The witnessed is not Satyam. Sakshyam is not Satyam. Sakshi is Satyam. Who is that Sakshi? Not the body-mind complex. I, the Sakshi, is pure consciousness. I am conscious of, I am conscious of. What you are conscious of is not Satyam. You, the consciousness principle, is Satyam. What you are conscious of, including your body, you are conscious of. You are conscious of your emotions. You are conscious of your intellect. You are conscious of what you know, what you don't know. You are conscious of your entire body-mind complex. You are the witnesser of your body-mind complex. So, the witnesser, I, the consciousness, am distinct. The subject I am, that what I experience, what I witness, what I observe, whatever I experience is different from me. This is the truth. Not only different from me, it doesn't exist without my lending existence to that. It cannot exist on its own. Its existence is depending upon me, the consciousness. Body is not conscious of by itself. Body doesn't know I am the body. Somebody must be there other than the body who is conscious of the body. Mind is not conscious of mind. There is someone else who is conscious of the mind. Therefore, who is conscious of is Satyam. Who is conscious of what is not Satyam. I am conscious of body, I am conscious of mind, I am conscious of world. They are objects. Object is depending upon me, the subject. Whatever is dependently existent is mithya. I, the consciousness, am not dependently existing. For my existence, I am independently existing. But everything what I am conscious of, whatever I am experiencing, is dependently existing upon me for its existence. That's why whatever is dependently existing, including body, mind, is mithya only. This is the essence of Vedanta. You cannot disprove this. This is the truth. This is the only truth. I, the subject, I am the Satyam. The object, whatever I experience, is mithya. Drishyatvad, ghatavad, swapnavad. Therefore, your anubhava cannot establish this is reality. The plurality is reality. You cannot talk. Why? I, the consciousness, am paramarthika satyam. Whatever I see, I experience is vyavaharika satyam. Look into the Karika. Ajeshu ajam asankrantam jnanam. Jnanam means dharmeshu jnanam. Dharmeshu means here jiveshu. Really jivas are not born. Ajeshu dharmeshu. Don't think you are the jiva, you are born. You are the consciousness, turiya atma, the subject. You are not born. You are not a jiva. You are turiya atma. Don't take you are the body, mind. Body is nothing but 5 elements in solid form sitting on the carpet and the chair. Body is nothing but akasha, vayu, agni, apaha, prithvi. Don't forget that. Pancha bhautika udal. That is not you. The one who is enlivening that body, the consciousness, is birthless. You, that is real Atma. Don't take your body mind complex. Jnanam, I the Turiya Atma am the consciousness principle. Jnanam, Ajeshu Dharmeshu, Ajam Asankrantam iti ishyate. Ajam, birthless, the consciousness in Ajeshu Dharmeshu, birthless jivas, Anutpanneshu jivasu, dissolution of Anatma into Atma. This is called Pravilapanam, like I am dissolving the Anatma into Atma. There is no Anatma at all. There is only Atma. That is me. I am birthless. Therefore, pramata, pramanam, prameyam, all are only mithya triputi. I, the turiya atma, gets a temporary status of pramata. When I use the mind sense organs, I become the pramata. Really speaking, I am not even pramata. When I am mother, when my son or daughter standpoint only I am mother. I am not a mother also, really speaking. Similarly, I am not even pramata also. I am not the observer. As long as observed is there, I am the observer. As long as experienced object is there, I am experiencer. Is this status is real status, permanent status? My subjecthood, my experiencerhood, my observerhood, is this really permanent status? My original status? No. I, the Turiya Atma, really speaking, not the observer also, not the knower also. Since there are objects you are talking about, therefore I have to temporarily take this role of knower, observer, seer, the subject. For teaching purpose, I am temporarily holding on to this observerhood, experiencerhood, sakshi status, witnesserhood. Really speaking, when they are all mithya, objects are mithya, where is the subject? As long as objects are there, I, the subject, stand separately. Once objects are falsified, all witnessed objects, observed objects, all experienced objects are mithya. Where is the observer? Where is the witnesser? Where is the subject? Therefore, I am neither observer, nor experiencer, or seer, knower. Therefore, I am not pramata. Then who am I? I am birthless consciousness. That's why I am. I am, pure awareness. If you add anything, that is mithya. Don't add anything after I am. Whatever you add after I am, everything is mithya. I is Turiya Atma, I am not Jivatma, I am only Atma. I am birthless consciousness. Asankrantam. Therefore, I am not related to observed objects, experienced objects. I am not related to any witnessed objects, including my body, because it is witnessed by me, experienced by me. Therefore, I am not related to this body also. Understand? Therefore, asankrantam. I am unembodied. I am not I am relationless consciousness, birthless consciousness. I am Sakshi from the standpoint of Sakshyam. All Sakshyams are falsified. I am not Sakshi also. Until I falsify Sakshyam, I hold on to Sakshi status. Until I falsify the experienced objects, I hold on to experiencer status. Just for understanding sake, I make use of this status. But after understanding, that also is dissolved. Then who am I? I am. That's all. There is nothing added. Therefore, yataha tena jnanam na kramate. Since jnanam, the consciousness, atma, na kramate, it is not connected to anything, it does not contact anything with any object really. It is not contacting anything really. Asangam iti kirtitam. Therefore it is praised as asangam. Asangam means sangarahitaha, relationless. It is known as relationless consciousness entity. This is difficult to grasp. Therefore, let us go to example. Clay pot. Potty clay. What is this in my hand? Clay pot is there. Potty clay is there. Previously I was thinking pot is noun, clay is adjective. What type of pot? Clay pot. Clay pot. Clay is adjective. Man kodam. The man kodam. The man kodam is noun. Man is adjective visheshanam. Then school education. Vedanta class education reverse. It is not clay pot. Clay is in pot form. Potty clay. Not our party. Not grandmother party. Potty clay. Clay is noun. Pot is adjective. Potty clay. This is the old lesson. Vedanta class lesson. Now next lesson is what? Gaudapada Acharya is going to conclude, my dear, both are wrong. Potty clay, clay pot, noun, adjective, all are. Now I am going to take out everything because the relation, let us see now. Can pot have relation with the clay? Or can clay have the relation with the pot? Sangha. Can pot have relation with clay, or clay can have relation with the pot. Is it possible? To have relation, two things are important. Are there two entities, two substances, pot and clay? Two substances are there to have relation. Sambandha dvikotikaha. Without two, sambandha cannot happen. Can there be a sambandha between pot and clay? Because there are no two things. Clay and pot, if they are there, two things, there can be a relation. Since there is only one clay, where is the question of relation? Clay cannot have relationship with the clay. Pot is not there other than clay. How can you talk about relation? Like that, example you have to understand that like that, I the Turiya Atma can never have relationship with anything because there is no second thing to have relation. Well, what about the sambandhis, Swamini? All these sambandhis, these are all mithya sambandha. Second thing, hai hi nai. Where is the question of sambandha? Therefore, aham asangam ishyate. I am relationless. Can you have relationship with all dream objects? Can the waker have relationship with all dream objects? Not possible. Why? Waker happens to be vyavharika satyam. Dreamer, dream objects belong to what satyam? Pratibhasika satyam. How vyavaharika satya, waker, pratibhasika satya, swapna padartha have relation? You cannot talk relation because they are all two orders of reality. Like that, I the Turiya Atma am Paramarthika Satyam, the awareness, the pure consciousness. I amness that I am conscious of. That is Paramarthika Satyam, I, and Vyavaharika Sharira, Griha, car, all are Vyavaharika Satyam. I, the consciousness, Turiya Atma, Paramarthika Satyam, is higher order of reality. How can I have real relationship with Vyavaharikam? Therefore it is mithya. Aham asangaha. Sangam is not possible. Iti kirtitam. If second thing is there, only relationship is possible. When second thing is not there, really there is no relation. So I am related whom? I means what here? Higher I or lower I? Higher I, Turiya Atma, cannot have relationship with anything. Lower I, the body, mind, complex, ahankara is mithya. Therefore all relations are also mithya. Therefore all ignorant people are living in another dream. Who says? Not me. Gaudapadacharya says. All Vyavaharika interactions are all like another dream from the standpoint of a Jnani, the Turiya Atma Jnani. All are like a dream. That is why he is not afflicted by that. Whatever is happening in the Vyavaharika Prapancha, he is not afflicted by that. He knows that I am Turiya Atma. Just as waker is not afflicted by dream objects, the Turiya Atma, I am not afflicted by the waker body, mind, complex relations. They are just like another dream. Jnani, I am, have அப்படி சொல்லிக்கணும். I, the Gnani, Turiya Atma Gnani, has got 2 dreams. Poduma? Podum. 2 dreams. What? Now class is going on is also another dream only. Dream like very, very difficult to swallow. So you have to reach to that Gaudapada Acharya level. Okay, next line. Karika. Anumatrepi vaidharmye jayamane vipaschitah asangata sada nasti kimuta varanachyutihi. Gaudapada Acharya criticizing all ajnanis. Avipaschitaha. Vipaschitaha means wise person, wise people. Avipaschitaha means otherwise people who do not know their Turiya Atma Swarupam. They are all called Avipaschitaha. Dvaita Vadinaha. Who gives importance to Dvaitam? Avipaschitaha. Where is Avipaschitaha? Jayamane. There is S is there in between. The S shows Akara. Avipaschitaha. Vipaschitaha means the one who sees exactly what it is. Avipaschitaha means who do not see the Atma as Atma and he sees Anatma as Atma. He sees Anatma as real. They are called Avipaschitaha. Anumatre api, even an iota, I mean a wee bit. Vaidharmyam, Anatma bhavaha. Vaidharmyam means difference. There is nothing different from Brahman. Everything is only Brahman. Real, real, real. Vaidharmyam, Anatma bhavaha, Dvaita bhavaha, in the Dvaiti mind. Jayamane, if you give reality to that, Jayamane, if you give reality to that difference, Vaidharmyam Jayamane, the mind gets that thought. Asangata sada na asti. In their mind, this Asanga Atma, Jnanam can never take place. Who gives reality to this world? This relationless Atma Jnanam can never take place. That will na asti sada. What is not there all the time? Asangata na asti. The relationlessness of Brahman. That Brahman I am is not possible. So Dvaita Drishti is Bhranti Drishti. See, the Bhranti, the one who takes brandy, he gets Bhranti. What? He sees everything 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 like that. It appears. No? Have you seen a drunkard person? What he talks, what he says, how he behaves. We are afraid of that person. We go away from that person because a person in delirium also, when the temperature goes too high, person goes to delirium. In delirium, he do not know what he is talking, how he is behaving. All these dementia people also, they do not know what they are doing. We are looking at all of them, they are suffering with dementia, They are suffering with this alcohol problem. We are looking at them like that, Pavam. Shastra looking at all Ajnanis, Pavam. These people like a delirium people, dementia people like. We will get angry with this Shastra, no? How can Shastra say like that? I am a dementia person. I am a delirium person. Okay, don't get angry. Prove yourself you are not that. Prove yourself. You cannot prove. As long as you have ignorance, giving Dvaitam, Satyatvam, how can you prove? You are really in delirium only. You do not know what you are doing. That is why people are suffering, Your samsara is the proof for that you are in delirium. Your janana marana samsara dukkha, your insecurity, your bhayam, that is the proof. What I want more than that? That is the proof you are in utter delirium type of thinking. There is no doubt. Insecurity, fear, anxiety, tension, worry about future, and a lot of things are happening in your mind. What is it? That is the proof for your another type of delirium. This is that. How you are saying pity of them by seeing Shastra says, Gaudapada Acharya says, I am pity of you. I pray for you. I pray for you. One day you go to Mandukya class and you study, you try to understand. I hope I will pray for you if you understand my Karikas. Let me see how far you can understand. அவருக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தேகம்தான். வெரி ஏன்னா அவனோட கஷ்டம் இல்லை, அந்த அளவுக்கு நமக்கு டெலிரியம் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். கஷ்டம் கிடையாது. That much we have soaked into untruth, anatma, vyavaharika, deeply attached to anatma. If you detach from anatma, it is simple. That's all. Asangata sada na asti for them. Very, very difficult. Kimu uta avarana nivrittihi chutihi. How can we say they are free from avarana? Avarana means nothing but janana, marana, samsara, chakra, bhayam. Avipaschitaha avarana chutihi kim uta. What to talk of that, the end of ignorance, because they are not able to give up this duality, reality. Where is the question of avarana nivritti? Therefore, until they surrender to the Shastra Guru completely, they cannot come out of that. Because they are not surrendering their ego to Shastra. They are helplessly dragged to Dvaita, Prapancha, Bhaya, Andolana, lot of things. Therefore, I am going to conclude my Karikas. All the best next birth. No, Gaudapada Acharya ji, not next birth. In this birth itself, I will go and revise again Mandukyopanishad. I will try to assimilate. If you say Gaudapada Acharya says, okay, all the best. Next Karika 98. Alabdha varana sarve dharma prakriti nirmalaha prakriti nirmala adau buddhastatha muktaha बुद्ध्यन्त इति गायका बुद्ध्यन्त इति नायकाः Buddhyanta iti nayaka. Now Gaudapadacharya anticipate a question. Now you are talking about Advaitam and telling Avarana Chuti. Avarana Chuti cannot happen, you are telling. That means Dvaitam you are accepting. How? Atma is ever free from Ajnanam, you are telling, and you are talking, there is Avarana Ajnanam. You are telling Atma is ever free from Ajnanam, Asangam. But you only accepting. Where is the freedom for him from Ajnana? That means you are as good as accepting Dvaitam. Purvapakshi's question. Gaudapadacharya expecting that question in the mind of the student and answering in this Karika 98. The Purvapakshi's question. You are accepting Avarana. Because he said Avarana Chutihi Kim Katham Bhavati. That means you are accepting Avarana. Who? Gaudapadacharya. You said Advaitam. Now you are telling how that person be free from Avarana, ignorance. That means you are accepting there is Avarana, there is Ajnanam. That means you have come down to Dvaitam. So your Advaitam is not there. He is telling. That is the objection. So Anadi Turiyam is caused by Anadi Ajnanam. For that Gaudapadacharya gives answer. Who said there is Ajnanam? There is Avarana. Look into the Karika. Sarve Dharmaha, all the Jivas really, originally speaking, Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, all the 3 periods of time, Prakriti Nirmalaha, Swabhava Shuddhaha, they are not really having any Avarana, really speaking. Alabdhavaranaha, that means Bandhana Rahitaha, they are free from ignorance. Avarana is equal to Avidya, Janana, Marana, Hetu Phala Avesha. The words he uses. Hetu Phala Avesha means Karma, Janma, Shariram. All these are not really there. Dream objects are there really? Dream confusions are there really? They are not there. When? When you wake up. Dream is not a dream for a dreamer in the dream. Dream is a dream for a waker. Similarly, Ajnanam is Ajnanam for a Ajnani. Ajnanam doesn't exist from the standpoint of Jnani, the Atma Jnani, because Ajnanam is also non-existent, originally, from the Paramarthika Drishti. Alabdhavaranaha, really speaking, they are all free from all bandha. Buddhaha, they are all self-effulgent. All the jivas are originally pure, originally ignorance, less, free from ignorance. Originally Buddhaha, Adau eva Buddhaha, Adau eva Muktaha. They are ever liberated. They need not get liberation. So Guru gives liberation, or Shastra gives liberation, or Ishvara gives liberation. Guru cannot give liberation, Shastra cannot give liberation, Ishvara also cannot give liberation. Because if I am really bound only, they have to give liberation. I am not Baddha. Why I have to be liberated? I am ever Nitya Muktaha. Ever liberated I am. I was not bound, I am not bound, I ever will be free only, never bound, in future also. That is my real status. I recognize after coming to Shastra. Adau tadha muktaha, adau tada baddha. Adau means in the beginning itself, buddhaha, not baddhaha. If you remove ukara, it becomes baddhaha. Buddhaha means all of them are pure self-effulgent consciousness only. Therefore, buddhyante nayakaha iti. They are known as the wise people, nayakaha. The wise people, they are just a figurative name. Vipaschitaha, Jnaninaha, Buddhaha, all are from the standpoint of these second dreamல இருக்கிற பீப்புளுக்காக இதெல்லாம் சொல்றது சரியா. Those people who are thinking, I am bound, I am a jivaha, I am punyavan, papavan, this bhranti is there. For their sake, to show, to differentiate, Shastra talks, these people are wise people. These people are vipaschitaha. Otherwise, Shastra need not say they are wise. That's why Jnaninaha, wise people, is also a figurative expression. Atma, Turiya Atma is wise and Cholanam. Turiya Atma is neither ignorant nor wise. That's why Jnani recognize I am Turiya Atma. Jnani never discover I am liberated now, I am becoming wise person, I am a wise person. Jnani never say. Understand? The wise person is from the standpoint of otherwise person. Otherwise person is not there. Hai hi nai, really. They are all mithya. When they are mithya, how can you call this person is wise person? Even Jnani, we cannot call him as Buddhaha, Buddhyante. They have discovered, they have understood. All these are all only for teaching purpose. Figuratively we use those words. That's what he says. Buddhyante iti. Buddhyanta is there in the shloka. Because of Sandhi rule, ekara is dropped. Katham tarihi buddhyante na. How they are able to know that? They have not really known. They remain as Turiyat. There is no question of even knowing. That's why Jnanam also is vritti. Jnana vritti is also falsified. That's why there is no becoming, but it is only being. No becoming, but remaining, claiming that I am Brahman. All words yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha tatra vak na gacchati no manaha. Next Karika. Kramate nahi buddhasya jnanam dharmeshu ta vinah sarve dharmastatha jnanam naitad buddhena bhashitam jnanam tayinaha. Tayinaha means all pervading. Tayinaha, consciousness of the adorable, all pervading, adorable. Buddhasya, wise person, which is very natural for Jnani. It's like sunlight, light in the sun, very natural for sun. Heat in the fire is very natural. Jnani also recognizes that I am that sun. He never add anything. I am that sun. Buddhasya. The knowledge is given by the Vedas, not by Buddha. Okay. Buddha means don't take it as Buddhasya. Na kramate. It does not contact objects at all. Dharmeshu na kramate. So Gnani doesn't have, Gnani means Turiya Atma doesn't have any sangha with anything. Kramate means no sambandha, no contact. Sarve dharmaha, all jivas tadha, they are the same. All the jivas, even Ajnanis are also, they are already free. That Guru only knows that. Gnani Guru only knows the Sishya who is listening the Shastra at that time also is not bound. He is already a Mukta, Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swarupa only, Sishya also. But the Sishya do not know that. Sishya, it takes time for him. I am ever Nitya Buddha Mukta Swarupaha. Romba kashtam. Adhikku ella preparations nariya pannanum. Preparations are nariya neram. Aham Brahmasmi is simple. Afterwards. Okay. Dharmeshu na sarve dharmaha tatha. All jivas are like that only. Means what? Just as Gnani Jiva, Gnani is not a Jiva, Gnani is Turiya Atma. All the other Ajnanis are also Atma only. They are never bound. They are having just a wrong notion. This knowledge is not given by the Buddha. Etat Jnanam, this knowledge is not Buddhi na bhashitam. It is not given by the Buddha. Many people think this knowledge is given by Buddha. Because in Buddhism also, in Kshanika Vijnanavadam also they say, world is mithya, consciousness alone is satyam, they say. And they people think Gaudapadacharya is Buddhist. It is not given by Buddha. Before Buddha itself, Turiya Atma Jnanam, Advaitam was there. It is not given by Buddha. There is a difference between Kshanika Vijnanavadam and Advaitam. Because in Kshanika Vijnanavadam, Buddhism, consciousness is temporary, momentary. First consciousness experience, first anubhava, first experience. Second consciousness comes and experience, second anubhava, second experience. For them. Therefore, according to Buddhist, consciousness is not nityam. Even though they say world is mithya, consciousness is satyam. Don't take Buddhism is same Advaita. They say Atma is anityam, temporary. Consciousness is momentary, not eternal. But we, the Vedantins, says, Advaita Vedantins, Atma, the consciousness Turiyam, is eternal. This is the difference. Not only that, they don't accept Ishvara, they don't accept Vyavaharika Ishvara, they don't accept Veda. How can Buddhist and Advaitin become one and the same? We accept Vyavaharika Ishvara, God, we accept Vedas. They don't accept. Therefore, don't combine Buddha and Advaitam. Dayananda Swamiji says, suppose Buddha said the same thing, okay, we are all friendly. We can make friendship with them. If Buddha says the same thing, Atma is eternal, Atma is only Satyam, Jagat Mithya, is said by Buddha, it is, we are friendly with him. Then Swamiji says, then you need not give it is Buddhism. Before Buddha birth itself, Turiya Atma, Advaita, Brahma was there or not? Why Buddha has to discover? Don't give the name Buddhism. Remove the name Buddhism. He is also an Advaiti. Say one of the Advaita Acharya. You have to say, Buddhists, they don't accept Veda, Ishvara, and they don't accept Nitya Atma. How can you say Buddhism also ABTK, OBTK. Mudiya. They cannot stay in this country, they cannot survive. People may survive, that Buddhism cannot survive because it is fallacious. For thinking people, for non-thinking people, ella good nanna okay. Next Karika, Gaudapadacharya winds up. Durdarshamati gambhiram ajam samyam visharadam buddha padamananatvam namaskurmo yatha balam. Gaudapadacharya concludes the teaching by prostrating to the Lord Paramatma. How can he do namaskara? I, the Bhagavan, Atma Swarupam, doing namaskara to myself. This is called Atma Namaskara. Atma Pradakshinam Madri, Atma Namaskara. Look into the words. Padam Durdarsham. This goal, this is very, very difficult to comprehend, incomprehensible. Having understood this Buddha, Padam, having known the reality, which is Durdarsham, very difficult, Atigambhiram, means very, very sukshma. This is unfathomable. It's very, very difficult to grasp. Because Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha are not available. Ashabdam, Asparsham, Arupam. How can it is available for Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha? Therefore, Atigambhiram, Ajam, eternal, Samyam, uniform, like Akasha. I meditate upon God remaining as God. Like that. That is the expression. Visharadam, Shuddham, untainted. I am what I have understood. I have understood my nature is untainted. I have understood that I am uniform, Turiya Atma, the ever Visharadam, pure, Ananatvam, plurality-less, non-dual, na vidyate nanatvam yasmin tat advaitam aham namaskurmaha yatha balam. We offer salutation, namaskurmaha, he says. We offer means all wise people, all great acharyas, those who are wise, recognize this truth, all of us do namaskara yatha bhalam, in a way that is possible. Yatha bhalam, according to our capacity. According to our capacity, I have merged into Turiyam, which is a compromised expression. Okay, so Guru Ishwar, I have merged into Turiyam, that is Namaskurmaha to whom? To Ishvara, who has given me the Guru. I do namaskara to my Guru, who has given me the Shastra. I do namaskara to the Shastra, who has given me the Mahavakya. Like that we have to take. I do namaskara to Ishvara. Without Guru I cannot understand. Therefore I thank Ishvara, who has given me my Guru, Shastra Guru. I do namaskara to my Guru, who has given me the Shastra teaching. I do namaskara to Shastra, who has given me the Atma Jnanam Mahavakya. So all the way I do namaskara to Ishvaro Gururatmeti. I do Atma Namaskara which Atma is in the form of Ishvara, which Atma is in the form of Guru, which Atma is in the form of Mahavakya Shastram. Therefore, with this Gaudapada Acharya conclude, that is Turiya Namaskara. With that he concludes in the form of abiding in Turiyam. Turiya Atma Namaskara means nothing but abiding Turiyam. I do Namaskara to Turiya Atma, which Turiya Atma is in the form of Ishvara, Guru, Shastra and Sishya also. So, all four of us nothing but Atma Swarupam. Clear? Now, Mandukya Alata Shantri Prakaranam is over. Mandukya Upanishad is over. Next class I will give you the summary of this 4th chapter. After that I will take Ishavasyopanishad. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.